家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。我们这个月是不是都要教跟生物有关 ，right?
可以。
Yeah, we're going to teach you things about living organisms, maybe found in Taiwan. Do you guys know there's a species called leopard cat? 石虎怎么说
？sanÄmeu。
sanmäu， 那就是山猫的意思哦。
是山猫。
Mountain cat is a kind of cat. It's a mountain cat, yeah. 那这个石虎呢是保育类动物。Let's teach you how to say that. The leopard cat is a conservation animal.
sanÄmeu 係保育類動物。
sanmäu 係保育類動物。The leopard cat is often spotted in 苗栗、台中 and 南投。
sanÄmeu 接送出現地。
sanmäu 接送出現地。
meuဆိ
苗栗、
台中、
台中、
naməteuঃsankiˋ、
naməteuঃsankiˋ，山區就是山區裡面嘛。Those are the three counties you're going to spot them in the mountains especially. Let's review some of these terms, including a conservation animal, 保育類動物。
保育類動物。
保育類動物 and then the leopard cat is 石虎。
sanÄmeu
sanmäu, which literally means a mountain cat. And there you have it, learning more about the animals of Taiwan on Daily Hakka.
是母大家。
是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.